In the following tutorial, we want to show you how you can adjust your gauge quickly and easily by using the one-point adjustment. The one-point adjustment is helpful when you have a measuring object with special characteristics, like a rough or a convex surface. For one-point adjustment, you need an uncoated substrate with a test foil or a coated surface with a known coating thickness. Let's start by pressing the Home button when we are in the measuring mode. By pressing the Home button again, we go into the menu and you can see the colored tabs of the menu in the upper area. With the navigation buttons, we switch through the various menu tabs, starting with the jobs, through the limits, the adjustment and the settings. But we will now deal with the adjustment in the yellow tab and call up the corresponding menu. In the adjustment menu, we have various sub-menus that can be reached using the navigation buttons. Let's go directly to the settings sub-menu. The zeroing is preset by factory. We change it now by pressing the OK button. In the following menu, we see all adjustments that the device enables. We can carry out a simple zeroing, the one-point adjustment, the two-point adjustment, a completely individual adjustment and various ISO and SSPC adjustments. In our tutorial, we will show you the one-point adjustment and therefore we select it. Optionally, we can also decide whether we want an average value if we have rough surface with unknown roughness and a number of measuring points that should be included in the adjustment. Here we limit ourselves to 3 measured values. Alternatively, we can also use 5, 10 or any number of measuring points. Now all necessary settings have been made and we jump back to our previous menu by using the soft key and select the menu Start. The device then asks us to put on the probe in order to record the measuring points. So let's collect our 3 measuring points. Then we enter our known reference value from the foil or the known coating thickness via the navigation buttons and confirm this. Our adjustment is now completed and we enter the measuring mode via the Home button or by placing the probe on the coated surface directly.